Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Raymond in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-655HP. Raymond, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, ERF 2030 plus upgrade. We tightened up your channel selector best it would go. These older ones are known for having a little bit of a channel selector issue, being a little loose. We got her done the best we could. RF power all the way down, 50-watt slug. We set it about 2 watts so you get full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. Roll it all the way up. It's just right at 20 watts, about 18. I'll show you average power swing. Low, 50 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP, low, and 120 PEP. All right, Raymond, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.